In this video, I'm going to try to design 10 posters in 10 minutes. I asked you guys on Instagram and Discord to submit me some ideas for posters, but I did not say that I would be designing them in 1 minute each. So some got pretty complex. Let's see how this goes. All right, so this first idea is minimalist Comic Sans layout. Ready, set, go. All right, Comic Sans. Let's get this big right here. All right, is the new Helvetica? Oh shoot. Yeah, this is really hard. Okay, now I need another one down here. Oh my god, already running out of time. I know I wanted some kind of shape in the middle and an image. Oh, 14 seconds. All right. I guess that's all we can do for now. It's definitely going to be hard. There's one of them. First poster here, minimalist Comic Sans layout. This next one, the word that was musical chairs. Ready, set, go. All right. Don't get caught. Let's do Neue Hausgrot. Oh no, wasting time. Regular. Let's do something like that. Standing. Maybe Nautica. All right, we need some image up here. Here's a musical chairs one I tried to grab. All right, and I want some small type here at the bottom. I mean, basically impossible, but I think what I'm gonna do is at the end, give myself 1 or 2 more minutes on each of these just to perfect them, just to at least kind of finish the rough layout, and we'll see if that improves it. This next one, the word is synthesizer, so I wanted to do like a vintage ad type thing. The best way to make beep, beep, boop, bop music, I guess is how we'll do that. Oh no, this needs to be a lot larger. Let's bring this down. Something like that. We'll make it white. I pulled a gradient background in this synthesizer. All right. And then we want some small type at the bottom. I mean, if I put this on Instagram, probably do all right, even at this current state. All right, let's keep it moving. This next one is Jigsaw Puzzle, and Burrs Letters actually wrote this one in. I wanted to do some type in her kind of style with the freeform pen tool. We'll see how it goes. All right, let's get a background going. Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Jigsaw. Oh, how do they write? How do we write with the mouse? Puzzle. Oh man. I guess I'll just drop the E down here. We can put something in here too. Figure it out. Oh. There we go. That one's a poster, apparently. Number 5, what was it? Oversized. Okay, ready, set, go. I want a black background. I want this type to be orange. Oversized, okay. And now we will do 0. That's not orange really, but extra condensed. This font's called Fit. Obviously what it's good for is being really large like this. Okay, why is it wasting so much time on that? All right, now I need to put this square right here. I have this truck image I wanted to put in. And then can we mask it out in time? Let's duplicate it. All right, cool. All right, let's bring this into the edge. Not bad. I mean, I want to fix it a little bit, but this was kind of the idea. Going back to those old like big type and image posters. Honestly, like if I'm learning anything so far, even if these ideas aren't good, it's kind of nice to have the pressure just to get it all out. And then, you know, you could go in and perfect it later or whatever. The next one is save the polar bears. This one I may be able to do. Go. Polar. I think we wanted this white. Something like that, and then I was gonna stretch it out to the side, put a blue background. Bears down the bottom. Okay. Now we need our polar bear image. And we're gonna mask it in there, duplicate it. Similar to the oversized one. Okay. Oh, we actually have a little extra time to... Bam. Timer just went off too. That one's probably the best so far. I actually was able to do the idea as quick as possible and cover some ground because this font is so large. All right, this one, the topic was submitted on Instagram. It was Japanese beer. So I'm gonna try to do one of those old ads, see how fast I can do it. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna put this in and move it upward. Something like that. Acai super dry. Let's see. What was the font? Maybe it was Times New Roman. I forget. Italic. Yeah. Okay. Let's make this red. Then add a stroke on it. Sure. Like that. Grab the logo and try to put that in time. Okay. Now I wanted to do with Della Gothic some kind of kanji. I'm not gonna make it in time. I'll leave that lorem ipsum right there too. Only fair. Number 8 is Metaverse. This one I think I can finish in time. Ready, go. Meta, I think I wanted this to be blue. And then verse. Some Dharma Gothic, I think. M heavy. Where is it? Oh man. Can we get him in? There we go. Something like that. And I think background. Sure, we'll do yellow for now. Or maybe white even. Yeah, okay. Alright. I mean, oh well. All right, this next one's contradiction. All right, here we go. We're gonna move this here and we're gonna use Helvetica and we're gonna put it all caps. Where is it? And the idea was very hard to read and decorative typography layout. Okay. Let's auto that. There we go. Let's bring that in a little bit. Move it down there. I think we'll do like a gray, maybe. For this, just black. It'd be cool to put like a paper texture on it or something. 120 should work. There we go. So that was the poster for contradiction. All right, number 10. This one is Oops All Berries. Ready, set, go. I want that blue color that they have. I think it's something like that. And then I wanted the image in the middle of this man. Middle image. Something like that. We'll make this yellow. All right. Oh, so hard to write out. So let's do 250 and 200. 300. All right. Oh shit. This is ridiculous. Honestly, it's pretty avant-garde though. Kind of like it. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna time myself 1 or 2 more minutes on each one. Then I'll show the final reveal and we'll compare the 1 minute design to the, let's say, 3 minute poster design. Here are the final 1 minute posters. If I learned anything from this challenge is that it's basically impossible to get a layout done in 1 minute. Then I went back in 2 more minutes on each one. So let's call these the 3 minute poster design. They definitely look better than the 1 minute ones, but you can only do so much in a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more. And if you want to watch me design an actual poster, you can check out this video here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Peace.